In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1006 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you have bring it up, please search for HP LaserJet P1006 printer driver and hit the enter key in the keyboard, and in that way you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first one under support.hp.com and kindly wait until you would be navigated to the page where you can get the printer driver. So we just have to click on wait until we can get the printer driver. Now it will automatically detect your operating system, which is the Windows 11. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate with driver product installation software and click on basic drivers. Here at the basic drivers, you can see this basic driver, click on download. And once you have clicked on it, navigate to the download icon and proceed to the downloaded file. So click on this folder icon to show it in folder. And in a few seconds, you would be navigated to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So next is make a right click and go with this cut icon. Once done, close the window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, make a right click and click on the paste. Once you have pasted or moved or copied the printer driver here, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So all you need to do is you need to go with extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So set this aside first. And if it's taking some time to appear, you can manually check it to the File Explorer. Click on the File Explorer and directly proceed to the left pane where you can see the desktop and check the extracted file here. Okay, once you have ensured that it is being placed, close the window and navigate directly to the Start icon. Make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. Okay, so here are the settings. You need to navigate directly to the left pane where you can see a list of the option locate for Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, please proceed with printers and scanners, and you can get an option like this. Please proceed to add device. So wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And once done, please directly proceed to add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of this through a USB port. Click on next and go with have disk. And since our extracted file has been the desktop, then we need to navigate there, click on the desktop, and please proceed on scrolling down. Double tap to the extracted file and it will show you the driver here. Click on open and click on OK. So please proceed for the selection of P1006. Click on next, and it will now start in the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Now once done, please click on next and go with finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1006 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. By that, close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.